Several prop firms actually banned traders from using this indicator, not because it was cheating, but because it spotted breakout zones before price exploded, while everyone else was chasing candles. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use it, how to avoid the fake breakouts, and the exact setup that makes this thing so dangerous. Open TradingView, go to Indicators, search for Consolidation Range with Signals, use the Zierman version, load it onto any chart. I'm using GBPJPY on the 1 hour time frame, but this works on Forex pairs, gold, and crypto. Here's why this is powerful. Most traders identify ranges manually. That's slow and subjective. This tool detects them mathematically. It combines ADX weakness, volatility compression, and range expansion probability. That means it finds price compression before expansion. That's where the money is. Use these settings: range mode volatility, range period 14, range multiplier 1.8, a DX threshold 25, a DX smoothing 14, stop loss multiplier 0.8. Take profit levels 1.0, 2.0, and 3.5. These settings balance precision with breakout strength. Here's how to trade it. Wait for the box to fully form. You want at least 8 candles inside the range. Look here. Price compresses. The box forms. The breakout candle closes. The entry triggers. Momentum expands. TP1 gets hit. TP2 gets hit. Clean move. No guessing. Just structure. Now stack this. If the same consolidation appears on the 1 hour and 4 hour chart at the same time, the breakout becomes much stronger. That's institutional compression. And when that expands, the move is usually violent. That's where your best trades are. For Forex, use range period 20 and multiplier 2.2. For gold, use range period 25 and multiplier 1.5. For crypto, use range period 10 and multiplier 2.5. And set TP 3 to 5.0. Different markets compress differently. Adjust accordingly. If you want my live setups and exact entries before the move happens, join the Telegram. Link in the description. That's where I post the real trades live. See you inside.